Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Zep application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, then tap on the Amazfit GTS 3 on the list of devices. Scroll down through this page, find the button called Unpair and tap on it, then tap on Unpair and tap on Unpair again to confirm. The watch should disappear from the list of devices. Also, it will reset itself to the factory default settings. Now we can close the app and we can also check the Bluetooth settings on our phone and see if we have the Amazfit GTS 3 on the list of previously connected devices. If it was here, you can always tap on settings icon, tap on forget, and then tap on forget again to remove it from your from the list of connected devices. But as you can see on my phone, it's not here, so we can simply just close the settings. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.